Now I want to share you third incident. Third incident is happen with the farmer's level. What he did, he has a waste, kitchen waste, outside waste, he kept in the one drum, and in drum he had put the waste decomposer directly without any grinding, without anything, just idly he put. To what he found after some days, lot of earthworms are there. Along with earthworms, he has seen big mushrooms. New variety of mushroom is grown there. He is surprised, he shared me the photo that I am going to share you. And this is a new variety. I am also surprised to see how it is grown it here, because it is very difficult to grow. It needs very cold environment, and we have to closed conditions we have to grow it. So, but it is happen in your warm condition. So, that is also one of the surprise happened with the waste decomposer. So, in respective of temperature or environment, this helps waste decompose solution to grow the unusual thing. So, that has came in the line. Please see these photos. Now, another incident I want to discuss, it is happened with in Aligarh, Mr. Vivek Sharma. What he does, he has grown this cabbage and he has harvested the cabbage. He has cut the cabbage one time, harvested it, and he was harvesting one by one, but continuous using the waste decomposer spray and through the water. So after some time, his workers has reported कि stem what he has harvested, again it is giving the branch. So he is surprised and he has seen, after 40 days he has seen it has grown very big size, about 400 to 500 gram. Each plant contains 4 to 5 cabbage. And that I have shared the video, even I am sharing again these photos, and you can talk to him directly, his phone number is there. So that is a very different things has come with the waste decomposer. He is using this waste decomposer last 3 years. So this can increase the quantity production system. So that is indicator कि this your soil is became very good and you are getting now more yield.
किसान साथियों नमस्कार, मैं गुरुदया जैविक फार्म भोजपुर से विवेक शर्मा। और जैसा कि आपको मैंने एक वीडियो के माध्यम से पहले भी बताया था कि जो हमने बंद गोभी लगाया हुआ है, उस बंद गोभी पर काटने के बाद, बंद गोभी का फूल लेने के बाद और निरंतर वेस्ट डिकम्पोजर के प्रयोग से उस पर दोबारा से टेलरिंग हुई और दोबारा से फूल भी बनने शुरू हुए। तो आज मैं आपको, क्योंकि अब मौसम भी चेंज हो गया है, टेम्परेचर बढ़ गया है और गोभी का सीजन भी लगभग ऑफ की तरफ है। ये सर्दी वाला गोभी था तो इसका सीजन भी ऑफ है। तो मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता हूं कि जो फूल हमारे छोटे छोटे थे जिस समय, आज उनकी क्या कंडीशन है वो मैं आपको दिखाने जा रहा हूं। पहले वीडियो में वो पत्ते ही बन रहे थे, टेलरिंग उन पर होना शुरू हुई थी। आज मैं उनकी कंडीशन दिखाने जा रहा हूँ और कुछ प्लांट्स पर बीज भी बनना शुरू हुआ है, तो मैं वो भी दिखाना चाहूँगा। ये आप देखिए, ये देखिए, ये था उस समय पर, इन पर ये 3 थे, 2 पूरी तरह से बनकर तैयार है और एक लगभग, ये 1 किलो से लगभग ऊपर का फूल बन करके तैयार है। ये दोनों पर फूल तैयार हो चुका है और लगभग मेरे हिसाब से 1.5 या 2 किलो के लगभग फूल तैयार हो चुके हैं। ये आप देख सकते हैं। इसी तरह से ये 2 ये तैयार हैं। ये दोनों पूरी तरह से फूल बन करके तैयार हैं, जो उस समय पर ये छोटे छोटे थे और माने चारों तरफ से पत्ते बन रहे थे। ये देखिए, इस पर ये 3 के 3 पूरे बने थे, जो मैंने शुरुआत में दिखाया था। ये वही पौधा है, इस पर 3 फूल पूरे हैं। एक ये पूरा है, लगभग 1.5 किलो से ऊपर 2 किलो तक का हो सकता है, और ये 2 फूल ये है। ये देखिए, ये वही पौधों को मैं मार्क करके आपको दिखा रहा हूँ जो मैंने पहले वीडियो में दिखाए थे। ये 3 वाला था। ये तीनों पर पूरे फूल बन गए, तीनों फूल बन चुके हैं, ये भी तीनों फूल बन चुके हैं। ये देखिए आप, एक बड़ा दिखाया था जिस पर 4 या 5 बन रहे थे, वो ये है। ये देखिए, इस पर 4 फूल चारों बन रहे हैं। ये देखिए, एक इधर है, एक ये है, एक इधर है और एक ये वाला है। और मैं समझता हूँ कि इसका प्रयोग अगर सर्दियों के दिनों में अच्छे से किया जाए, क्योंकि ये एक अकस्मात।
Fifth incident is happened in the Bihar. One of my farmers has reported he has also grown the broccoli and he has cut the broccoli, harvested the broccoli first time. But after some time, it is again branched, and each plant which contains 4 to 5 broccoli. So that is also surprise. He has reported, and he has shared the video. I have put the video on the channel. So that indicates when we are using the continuous waste decomposer, it gives the extra benefits which we still not aware. Some work I have done, some research work, some our farmers has done in their experience, that we are sharing it. But one thing is sure, that such type of products you will never get anywhere. There is no side effect. It is environmentally friendly, that I have shared you. It is increasing the production. It is changing total soil. Soil became very, very powerful, good fertile. So this is happening with the waste decomposer. Now you can look at this photo which I want to show you. So my request is, you have to use very particular good quality of waste decomposer. Don't use it people who are selling in the bottle, drinking bottle, or small tincture type, eye drop type. They are putting solution and giving the different name, Bhu Urvarak. Then somebody is writing this soil improvement. Some is writing Dr. Soil, some is writing it. All the product who is telling it, and if you are getting the earthworms in the soil after continuous use of 6 months, that indicates it contains solution of the waste decomposer along with some seaweed or some hormones, some other thing. People are started making the new product with this. So be cautious with this. You prepare yourself, don't depend on anyone. Take the proper quality and use it. You will get the good results. That is my request. Thank you.